Ishita and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to open September's fab bags. So I did receive this bag just 5 days ago. Not just 5 days, just 4 or 3 days ago, and I've been trying these products. They have like somewhere there was some problem with the shipping and all that, so I just cannot receive my bag earlier. For this month you will receive something like this type of bag, and it opens kind of that way, and you can put your products inside like Garnier, all that stuff. But I did not like this bag. Only thing is because the glitters are like they are everywhere. It is not a fabric, it is not a material, but it has like sticky glitters on it, and it is going everywhere. So I don't like this month of bag, and I don't think I will use this bag because it is kind of messy and I don't like messy things, so I will just put it aside. But the theme is like cute. I do like this type of clutches, so that's cute. And the theme for this month is the Made in 7. Okay, the champagne and confetti type of a thing, which is good. And this month you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And also the main attraction of this month bag is this Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick mini set of 4, which retails for 1000 rupees, but on their website you will get it like 15% off discount, and as well as free delivery charges. So in total you will need to pay 700 or 800 rupees for this mini set, and I think that's a really very good bargain, and I do want to try this mini set by Sugar Cosmetic. I think that's what's so cute. Like, you will get the cute packaging. It is a tin, it is not a plastic, and you will get this mini 4 lipsticks. One of them I'm wearing it right now, which is Tika Mystique. Absolutely gorgeous color, gorgeous for my skin tone. I can say like medium to dark skin tone can pull this off, all the colors. Okay, I will not just tell you everything about these lipsticks on this video. I will do a separate video for this mini set. So guys, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon. So do it right now. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notification whenever I upload my videos. So let's move on to the second product, which is Press Glitter. So this is like from the company TS Cosmetics. I have never heard about this cosmetic brand, and also I'm wearing this pressed glitter on my eyes right now, and I think that is like that is a weird consistency, because it is not a dry glitter and it is not a liquid glitter. It is just what they say, medium. It is not in between glitters. Of course, I will do a total review for this pressed glitter from TS Cosmetics in my upcoming videos. So please guys, remember and do subscribe to my channel. And this glitter retails for 300 rupees, and it is a full size product. I do like to mention that the smell of this glitter is kind of off. Like, I cannot say it is expired because I don't see the product is expired, but the smell is off. So the third product that you will get is, the company is called Nirvaana. I like this name, and 100% pure and natural hairspray detangling, and the full size product. This is the full size product which retails for 299 rupees, almost 300 rupees. Okay, so the thing about this detangler, the main purpose of this spray is to detangle your roots, your hair, and it does not do the job. I have tried it 2 or 3 times, and my hair is not that tangled. I have straight hair, and you can see because I try to curl my hairs, and it just like 5 minutes and already my curls are like off. So my hair is smooth. It is not that much smooth and it is not that much straight, but I have like pretty good texture on my hair, and sometimes I do need to detangle it because my this ends are like colored and it gets tangled. So I thought this will kind of help me for that problem which I am facing with my hair, but it did not do anything. And I did use 3 times like I said before, and I'm getting, after using, I don't want to blame it, but after using this product my hair is falling like crazy. So I don't, it says like it is kind of a 100% natural product, but I don't trust it. So it does have like distilled water, which is normal, you can find in grocery stores or the medical store, and glycerin, aloe vera gel, lavender, rosemary, essential oil, and non-mineralized H2O in pH level, balance aqua, something I must be allergic to, something that is inside, and it kinds of reacts to my hair, and my hair is falling so much. So I will not use this, I will not even try this, not even experiment with it. I don't trust it. So that's off, and I don't want you guys to have this product. I will not also, like, because I have used this and I cannot give away this brand. So the 4th product that you will get is from the Garnier mask, which is natural mask. Also retails for 100 rupees, kind of an expensive mask, but it is from Garnier and I trust this company and I have not used this. I will do a total review of this mask. If you want to see, please guys hang around and do subscribe to my channel. And I do have like 5% off on all the Garnier products, and the code will be in the description box down below. So guys, if you want to purchase Garnier products, it is valid on Nykaa only. So from Nykaa you can purchase any Garnier product, like any Garnier product, and you will get 5% off on MRP. So that will be the code, and I will leave it in the description box down below. And the last product that I have received is from W2 face wash, and the price is 225 rupees. So this is the packaging. I think that the packaging is so cheap, and the company is from India, made in India, and you will get like 2 flavors in this, like strawberry, and this is the haldi. I got a turmeric flavor, and I did use it, and I don't think that this face wash is like, it is kind of a cheap in my opinion, and it does smell like turmeric, but when you use this on your face, and it does smell like chemicalish turmeric, not a natural at all, but chemical. It has like chemical turmeric smell. So that's what all the products that you will get in this month's pack. I think this month's pack is so awesome, so good. They have done it again. I love this month's pack. And if you guys want to watch the swatch video and the review of this sugar cosmetic, please guys hang it around, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notification whenever I upload my video. See you guys in my next video.